So occasionally we'll be given an algebraic equation that involves many variables, and we're asked to solve for one of the variables or isolate one of the variables. In this case, we want to solve this for b. So there's our b variable. So that means we want to get it isolate b. We want to end up with b equals such and such, whatever it turns out to be. We want to figure out what b equals. Now, just looking at that, there's our b. That means we've got to get rid of this term. We got to move it to the other side of the equal sign, and we got to get rid of that term so that b is standing by itself. So we're just going to use the general principles of algebraic equation solving to isolate b. So first thing we're going to do, I want to get rid of the 6c, so we're going to add 6c to both sides using the addition property. Now, the left side is simply going to then be a plus 6c. The right side is now just 3b because the minus 6c and the plus 6c turn into 0. Now we need to get rid of the 3 on the b, so we know how to do that. Since 3 is multiplying b, we're going to divide both sides by 3, and we're going to then be able to cancel those 3's, and we're left with b equals a plus 6c over 3. Now I should mention this. Alternatively, let's go back to this step. We could treat it like this. Divide by 3 to get rid of the 3, and then divide each individual term by 3. And that would leave us with a over 3 plus 6c over 3, which turns into a 2c equals b. Now these two things are the same. They're algebraically equivalent, so we're fine with either form. It depends on what we're trying to figure out.